Good morning, students. Today, Thursday, I'm your English teacher in Mittal Matriculation School. Hope you all doing well, right? Had your breakfast? Yes. Okay, students, in this week, what we have seen? We are all go through the September month portions, right? Yes, we have to recall the portions again and again. You have to read it well and understand your lessons. Okay, students, let's continue today's session. Yes, students, are you all happy? Okay, let's start the class. Yes, we have to recall the class. Today, let's start a book bag of the poem A Voyage. A Voyage poem book bag exercise, right? First, A. Circle the animals which are in voyage. Circle the animals which are in the voyage. First, see tiger, 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 ape, ape, horse, 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 goat, 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 and then match the following. Here, pale tiger, it is tiger, right? Tiger, tiger. Tremble horse, horse. Fainted ape, ape. Pale tiger, tremble horse, fainted ape. Write the rhyming words. Write the rhyming words. One, done. One, done. Away, day. Goat, boat, boat. Gale, pale. Choose the best answer. Next, choose the best answer. The animals hire the boat. The animals hire the boat. Hire, hire the boat. The animals hire the boat. Suddenly there was a gale. Suddenly there was a gale. Gale, gale. And E, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First one is, why did they sail? Why did they sail? They sailed to find a new country. They sailed to find a new country. Like whom did they want to do? Like whom did they want to do? They wanted to do like Columbus. They do like Columbus. And then, did they find a new country? Did they find a new country? Yes, they found a new country. Yes, they found a new country. Let me read it again. Why did they sail? They sailed to find a new country. Like whom did they want to do? They wanted to do like Columbus. Did they find a new country? Yes, they found a new country. And then let us know. See how they use and, but, and, or to connect two words or sentences. See first picture. He has a bat and a ball. He has a bat and ball, right? He has a bat but not a ball. Here the boy have a bat but not a ball. He has a bat but not a ball. And then, would you like a pen or pencil? Would you like a pen or pencil? Yes, here let me explain this. We use and to join sentences that are the same. We use and to join sentences that are the same. He has a bat. He has a ball. Here they give two sentences. We have to use and but or we have to use this is the we have to join single sentences. He has a bat and ball. He has a bat and a ball. We use but to join sentences that are opposites. He has a bat. He has a bat. He does not have a ball. He does not have a ball. He has a bat but not a ball. He has a bat but not a ball. We have to add but, right? But and here and then we use or if we have to choose one out of many. Do you want rice? Do you want idli? Do you want rice or idli? Do you want rice or idli? Here some more examples. The bird. Here some more examples. The bird can fly and hop. The bird can fly and hop. He is small but strong. He is small but strong. Do you want rice or idli? Do you want rice or idli? Do you want rice or idli? Yes. Next, fill in the blank. Next, fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks with and but or. I play tennis and cricket. I play tennis and cricket. The dove and the ant are friends. The dove and the ant are friends. I want popcorn but not pizza. I want popcorn but not pizza. Do you want tea or coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? And an elephant is big but slow. An elephant is big but slow. Would you like bananas or mangoes? Would you like bananas or mangoes? I play tennis and cricket. The dove and the ant are friends. I want popcorn but not pizza. Do you want tea or coffee? An elephant is big but slow. Would you like bananas or mangoes? Then listen and respond the directions. Then circle the correct action words that you heard and performed. Here students, you have to hear the audio and scan QR, right? You have to hear the audio through the QR scanning and then let us speak. Let us speak. You have to practice at your home with your friends or your siblings, right? Here you and your friends, you have to both speak each other. What did the teacher teach? Here Bashir and Sadhana speak in between our classroom. Hi Bashir, why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? I had stomachache, Sadhana. I had stomachache, Sadhana. Are you alright? Yes, I am fine. Did Max ma'am conduct test yesterday? Yes, she conducted, but don't worry, you can write it today. Thanks. What did the English sir teach? He taught conjunctions yesterday. He taught conjunctions yesterday. And oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it. Don't worry. I'll explain it. Don't worry. I'll explain it. Thanks, Sadhana. What did ma'am teach in Tamil? She taught poem and gave homework. She taught poem and gave homework. Please help me finish it. Yeah, sure. Yes. And then let us read Buju's Brave Adventure. Buju's Brave Adventures. We already see these lessons, right? Here, kids is there. And choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one is Bala and Janani acted like the monkey. See, Bala and Janani acted like the monkey. Appu felt hungry and ate a guava. Appu felt hungry and ate a guava. All the children wished to go to the waterfall. All the children wished to go to the waterfall. Footprints helped Buju to reach his family. Footprints helped Buju to reach his family. Answer the following yes or no questions. Yes or no questions. Did Appu share Goa? No, didn't. Did all visit the waterfall? No, it's also didn't. And did Buju realize his mistakes? Yes, he realized his mistake. Yes, he realized his mistake. And let us read aloud. Let us read aloud. You have to color your coffee cups, right? You have to use 3 colors on your coffee cups. Let me read it once. There is a table under a tree. A man with a big hat and a hair with long ears are sitting. A young girl is sitting between them. There was many cups of the table. The girl has a cup. The girl has a cup in her hand, and the man has a pot in his hand. It seems like they are having tea. They are having tea. Yes, they are having tea at the popular tea party. Yes, they are having tea at the tea party in Wonderland. In Wonderland. The girl is Alice and she is in Wonderland. The girl is Alice and she is in Wonderland. You have to color 3 cups. Okay, students? And then, what is the name of the girl? Answer the following questions, right? What is the name of the girl? The name of the girl is Alice. The name of the girl is Alice. And where does the scene take place? Where does the scene take place? The scene took place is Wonderland. The scene took place is Wonderland. What party is that? It is a tea party. What party is that? It is a tea party. What does the man have? The man has a teapot in his hand. The man has a teapot in his hand. And then choose the correct picture for the passage. Choose the correct picture for the passage. Here, Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Then let us write. Let us write. This it is taste smells mango yellow fresh sour juicy. We have to use these clues and we have to write about mango. This is a mango. This is a mango. It is yellow. It is yellow. It is juicy. It is juicy. It tastes sour. It tastes sour. It smells fresh. It smells fresh. And write some sentences about the picture. Here they give picture and clues. We have to make a sentence about these pictures. First, here the girl and elephant. First, let's see about the girl. First, let me read the clue words. She is, has, girl, shirt, pants, beautiful, pink, blue, long hair. Let me make the sentence. She is a girl. She takes beautiful in pink shirt and blue pants. She has a long hair. She has a long hair. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. It is big. It is big. It walks slowly with. It walks slowly with. Its four legs. Its four legs. Its trust is strong and its trunk is big. Its tusk is strong and its trunk is big. Its trunk is big. Next, I can do. I can do. First one is choose the correct option. Robinson named the boy Friday. Robinson named the boy Friday. 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 And Dash was with Robinson. Dog. Dog was with Robinson. Robinson sailed England after 28 years. After 28 years. Divide the following words. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Man. M-A-N. Man. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Hotel. H-O-T-E-L. Hotel. Write the word under the correct group and divide it. Bullet, candle, bat, title, ball, tiffin. Bat and ball is the single vowels letter word. Bat, ball and bullet. It is double consonant word. Bullet, B-U-L-L-E-T. Bullet. Tiffin, T-I-F-F-I-N. Tiffin. Candle, C-A-N-D-L-E. Candle. Title, T-I-T-L-E. Title. Here match the rhyming words. Pale, kale. Boat, goat. Goes, nose. Goes, nose. Pale, gale. Boat, goat, goes, nose. And then fill in the blanks with and, but, or. Do you like apple or orange? He has bat and ball. He is rich, but he looks simple. He is rich, but he looks simple. Okay, students, you have to recall the September portions. You have to read it well for your test. Tomorrow you have a test. Okay, students, don't forget. You have to read well. You have to write a test in good manner. Okay, students. Thank you. Keep safe at your home And finally, those who are not paid your fees, kindly you have to pay your school fees and bring your notebooks. Okay, students, thank you.